This problem is either a headache or really fun, and it all depends on how you start. So most people are going to look at this and they're going to square both sides. And then if you do that properly, you end up having a square root of x minus 6 times itself, and that equals 24. Now, from here, if you don't take any illegal shortcuts, you'd end up having to FOIL this thing out or use boxes or whatever, but this would become a pretty ugly polynomial. What I'm going to do to make this just a little bit easier is to scrap all that and start it a little differently. Let's add square root of 6 to both sides. It'll cancel on this side where the square root of x is, and it'll show up on the other side as just square root of 6. Now, from here, don't square both sides yet. There's still something you can do because this 24, and the reason this whole problem works out so slick is because of this. You can simplify root 24, and I'm going to break it up into 2 square roots, 4 times 6, and then I'm going to break that up into 2 square roots that were multiplied together, the square root of 4, square root of 6. Can you see where I'm going with this? What happens with that square root of 4? That becomes a 2. And we have the 2 root 6 plus 1 root 6. Square root of x equals 3 square root 6. That feels like you're done, but you're not, because you're really trying to solve for x, not the square root of x. But all of a sudden, this whole thing just became a little simpler. So let's now square both sides. So we have x equals 3 squared times root 6 squared. X equals 9 times 6, and that's 54. Fun, huh?